Is getting worse.
I feel bad. Even myself was dropping in one of the hole over there when I'm coming from down a cemetery. One dust up catch me down there. And I drop in a hole. I never seen. And I turned to myself and said, this big hole can stay like that.
The culvert burn out from all night. If you go up there and look, you will see the culvert burn out from all night.
According to reports, a tourist was hurt recently in the area. The residents fear more accidents are
We're not voting for nothing. They want to try to speak proper English, but they want to speak proper Patwa. Anyways, this is a video now, just like if I know, because it's as you can see, Jamaicans, we are not real people, or Jamaica is not a real place. One of them type of video there, and you're gonna laugh till a cough and throw up. It's very short, but very entertaining. We're not voting for nothing. You're not liking the video for nothing. Like it for something. Oh, Badwood might be in it, so if you're a Christian, skip. A family member, skip. If you're my child, skip.
Make your panty fly like flamingo.
What you say, go on? What you say?
Make your panty fly like flamingo.
What you say, go on?
Batty boy.
All right. What you say, go on now, BG? What go on?
Yellow bag bamba wall.
Suck your mother. What you say, go on?
Suck your mother.
Suck back for you. What you say, go on?
Artificial intelligence. Yellow bag bamba wall.
What you say, Rassassil?
Fire for that.
What you say, go on?
Me love backface.
What you say, beer? What you say, blue?
Me love backface. Peanut butter. Oh, I feel the cocky. Like flamingo.
What you say, elephant man? Elephant man.
River, Pandy bank.
Elephant man, what you say?
Pandy river, Pandy bank. Yo, I feel the cocky. Oh.
What was that? What did we just watch? What did I put on the screen for you guys to watch? That looked like a Jamaica the Explorer, a Dora the Explorer out of Jamaica. But did Rex say artificial intelligence with a crazy eye? Like that's the thing right now. Anyways, what else are going on now? How going on, so? Were they fighting? Were they making love? Were they drowning? Or she about to beat him? Hey, you see, me always big up all like plus size woman them, big up the extra plus size, big up the triple plus size, big up the fat ladies them. But I've always said, me no date no woman bigger than me. You see how she a man handle him? Me can't deal with that. Right now she can't lift him up and throw him. She can't beat bap. No, sir, me not there nobody who can beat me like that. I'm sorry. Big up all like woman them, big up all like subscribers them. We have a little weight and dear, yeah. Me can't work with uno, but the over plus size one them, big up on yourself same way, but me not. Your hand bigger than for me? Nope. You beat me? No. Anyways, them lovebirds there. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell per usual. Stay safe and God be with you and your family too.